class. Dear students, today we are going to learn about Unit 4 edges, corners and faces. Okay, Unit 4 edges, corners and faces. Dear students, what did we learn in last class, ma'am? What did we learn in last class? Last class we learned about properties of 3D shapes. Okay, last class we learned about properties of 3D shapes. Okay, children, let us revise now. Okay, dear students, listen. What is this, ma'am? What is this? Ruler. Okay, what is the shape? What is the shape, ma'am? Rectangle. Okay, this ruler is rectangle shape. Okay, students, listen. What is this? Pen. Okay, what is the shape of the pen, ma'am? What is the shape of the pen? Very good. Cylinder. Okay, this shape cylinder. Okay, students, listen. What is this? Very good. What is the shape, ma'am? Cube. Okay, and this shape cube. Okay, students, listen. Next one. Children, listen. What is this? Duster. Okay, yeah. So this shape cuboid. Okay, this shape cuboid. Okay, children. Next one, ma'am. Students, listen here. What is this? Globe. Okay. What is the shape, ma'am? What is the shape? Very good. Sphere. Okay. This shape sphere. Okay, children. Next one, ma'am. Students, listen. Have you finished your homework, ma'am? Have you finished your homework? Okay, children. First I will do. Okay, yeah. Check your answers. Okay, children. So today Unit 4 says lines and patterns. Okay. So today day 6. Okay, children. Next one, children. Worksheet number 6. Page number 80. Okay. So C, D and E some homework. Okay, yeah? Students, first I will do the answer. You check it. Okay. Students, listen. Students, listen here. Students, first listen. Write the number of edges, corners and faces each shape has. Okay, on this question, write the number of edges, corners and faces each shape has. Okay, students, first listen. The first column shape are given. Okay, second column we write the shape name. Next number of edges. Next one number of corners. Then number of faces. Okay, students, listen. So this shape is cone. Okay, first A1 mark. So A1 cone shape are given. Okay, so next column we write the shape name. Okay, so this shape name cone. Okay, so cone spelling C-O-N-E, cone. Okay, C-O-N-E, cone. Okay, students, listen. Edges means, children, listen here. For example, what is the shape, ma'am? Cube. Okay, so edges is this sharp line. Okay, edges are sharp lines. Okay, when two faces meet edges. Okay, edges are sharp lines, ma'am. Children, listen. So these faces. Okay, faces are curve or straight. Okay, so curve or flat sides. Okay, children. So first, children, listen. So these faces, these corners, next edges. Okay, so faces are curve or flat sides. Okay, faces are curve or flat sides. Next corner. one edge ma, this one edge. Okay, so the two edges meet at a point. Okay, so this corner. Is it clear? So faces are straight or curved side. Okay, straight, flat or curved sides. Next corner. So corner is two edges meet at a point is corner. Next edges. Edges are sharp lines. Okay, where two faces meet edges. Okay, so two faces meet edges. Okay, children. So edges are sharp line. Okay, students listen. First one. First shape cone. Okay, so shape name cone. Children listen. Students first shape cone. Okay, so this shape name cone first write it. Next edges. Students listen. So edges are sharp lines. Okay, so this is a cone shape ma. So how many edges in cone bar? How many edges? Only one edge. Okay, students, the sharp line is edge. Okay, so number of edges 1. Okay, so edges 1. Next corner. Okay, so this corner. Okay dear, so how many corners in cone shape bar? How many corners? Only one corner. Okay, only one corner. Okay children, so corners 1. Next faces. Okay, so children listen here. So faces are flat or curved sides. Okay, so children, so this flat shape. Okay, so this one curve shape, curve face. Okay, so children, there are two faces ma. This flat face, this curve face. Okay, so two faces are given. Okay, so one flat face, another one curve face. Okay, so this flat face, this curve face. Okay, children, so this shape cone edges. So edges is the sharp line edge. Okay, so only one edge. Next corner. So this one corner. Okay, so only one corner. So right. Next faces. So there are two faces in cone shape. Okay, one flat face, another one curve face. Okay children, check your answer ma. First this A question. Okay, next B. Students listen. Next shape. What is the shape ma? What is the shape? What is the shape ma? Sphere. Okay, students listen. So this sphere shape. Okay, how this shape name? Sphere. Children, so spelling S-P-H-E-R-E. Okay, sphere. Okay, next edges. Children, how many edges pa? How many edges? No. Okay, so number of edges 0. Next corner. How many corners in sphere shape? How many corner pa? No corner. Okay, so this sphere shape ma, so no edges and no corner. Okay, so edges 0, corner also 0. Next faces. Okay, so only one curve face. Okay, only one curve face. Okay, so number of faces 1. Is it clear ma? So no edges, no corner and only one curve face. Okay, is it clear? Okay children, next C question listen. Students listen. So next C shape cylinder. Okay, so shape cylinder shape are given. So first we write the shape name. Okay, so cylinder spelling C-Y-L-I-N-D-E-R. Okay, cylinder. Is it clear ma? So this shape name cylinder. Okay, children. Listen here. So this cylinder shape. Okay, so this is a cylinder shape ma. So first we write the shape name cylinder. Okay, next edges. Children, edges are sharp line. Okay, so how many edges in a cylinder shape ma? How many edges? 2. Okay, children, so this edge. Okay, so this one edge. Next this So 1. Okay, next this 1. So 2 edges. Okay, so 1, next this one 1. Okay, so edges are sharp line. So there are 2 edges in a cylinder shape. Okay, next we will count the corner. Okay, students listen here. So this shape cylinder. How many corners now? How many corners? Very good. No corner. Okay, yeah. So no corner. Children, so corner 0. Okay, children. So no corner. Okay, next we will count the number of faces. Okay, students listen here. So there are 3 faces. Okay, so this one flat face, this one also flat face. Okay, so 2 flat faces, next only one curve face. Okay, students listen here. So this flat face now, this one also flat face. Okay, so this curve face. Okay, so totally 3 faces. So 2 flat faces. Okay, 1 curve face. Okay, children. So write it now. Number of faces 3. Okay, children. So this cylinder shape. So edges, this one 1 edge, next this 1 edge. Okay, so the sharp line edge. Okay, so 2 edges and no corner. Then faces 3. Okay, so this flat face. Next this one flat face. Okay, so 2 flat faces, 1 curve face. Okay, so total number of faces 3. Okay, is it clear, ma? So answer 2, 0, 3. Okay, this shape cylinder. Okay, students. Next one. Students listen. Next D cube. Okay, yeah. So this shape cube. Okay, children. So shape name. So cube. So C-U-B-E. Cube. Okay, yeah. So this shape name cube. Children, look at the cube shape now. Students listen here. So first we will count the number of edges. Okay, edges is sharp line. Okay, edges are sharp lines where 2 faces meet. Okay, yeah. So children listen here. So first we will count the number of edges. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, next this side, back side. Okay, so 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, next this one 9, this one 10, next 11, 12. Okay, so total number of edges 12. Okay, total number of edges 12. Okay, dear, once again 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, next back side 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, next this 9, 10. Okay, next this side 11, 12. Okay, so number of edges 12. Next we will count the number of corners. Okay, students listen. So 2 edges meet at a point is corner. Okay, so 2 edges meet at a point is corner. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so number of corners 8. Okay, once again 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so number of corners 8. Next faces now. Children listen here. So this face. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so number of faces 6. Students listen. So number of faces 6. Okay, is it clear? Children, look at the faces all of you. So this square face. Okay, This one square face, this square face, this square face. Okay, so 6 square faces. Okay, students listen here. So this face mark, so flat face. Okay, so there are 6 square faces. Is it clear? Okay students, next one more. Students listen. Next E shape cuboid. Okay, so E shape cuboid. Okay, so first we write the shape name. So shape name cuboid. So C-U-B-O-I-D, cuboid. Okay, so first we write the shape name. So this shape cuboid. Okay, children listen. Look at the cuboid shape. First we will count the number of edges. Okay, so number of edges 1, 2, 3, 4. Next back side 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, next 9, 10. Next this side 11, 12. Okay, so number of edges 12. Next corner. So corner is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next 7, 8. Okay, children once again 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, next 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so number of corners 8. Is it clear? Next faces. Okay, so faces, this face. Okay children, so this face. Okay, flat or curve face ma? Flat. Okay, so flat faces. Okay, students listen. So this curve face. Okay, so this curve face ma, this flat face. Okay, so but cuboid have flat faces fully. Okay, so this flat face, this one also flat face. Next this side flat face. Okay, so fully flat faces. Okay, so children listen. First we will count the number of faces. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next back side. So 6. Okay, so number of faces 6. Okay children. Children look at me. So these 6 faces fully rectangle faces. Okay, children once again cube 6 square faces. Okay, so this cube this cuboid. So edges are same, corners are same, faces also same. Okay, but only one different. Cube because square faces. Cuboid have rectangle faces. Okay, so this 6 square faces, this one 6 rectangle faces. Okay, so listen children. So cube because 6 square faces, but cuboid because 6 rectangle faces. Okay, children listen. So this rectangle faces. Okay, so this side also rectangle face. Next this side rectangle face. Okay, so 12 edges, 8 corners and 6 faces. Okay, but cube and cuboid only one different mark. These 6 square faces, but cuboid 6 rectangle faces. Okay, is it clear? Okay children, next one. Students, worksheet number 7. Okay, worksheet number 7, page number 81. Take first all of you. Children, look at the slide and see the answer now. Worksheet number 6. See the answer. So first one, cone shape. So edges 1, corner 1 and faces 2 faces. Okay, next sphere shape are given, next cylinder, next cube, next cuboid. Children, check your answers quickly. Okay dear, next we solve the worksheet number 7. Okay, children listen here. Worksheet number 7, page number 81. Take fast all of you. Children, I am giving 5 seconds. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Are you ready? Okay children, look at the board all of you. Students listen. So worksheet number 7. Okay. So first answer the following. A question is here. Mark the corners for shapes that have corners. Okay. Mark the corners for shapes that have corners. Okay. Children listen. What is the shape ma'am? Cone. Okay. This shape cube. This shape sphere. Next shape cuboid. Okay. So cone, cube, sphere and cuboid are given. Okay. Now we mark the corners. Okay children. Do you know corner ma'am? Okay. Okay children. Now we mark the corners. Okay. Children, first shape cone. So where is corner ma'am? Where is corner? Very good. So this corner. Okay. So mark it. Okay. Next shape cube. Okay. How many corners in a cube ma'am? How many corners? Very good. 8 corners. Okay. So mark the corner. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So 8 corners. Okay children. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. What is the next shape ma'am? Sphere. Okay. How many corners? Very good. No corner. Okay. Next shape cuboid. Okay children. How many corners in a cuboid ma'am? How many corners? Very good. 8 corners. Okay. So mark the 8 corners. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Children, once again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay dear. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Have you finished the sum ma'am? Okay children. Next B question listen here. Students listen. Next second question. B question listen ma'am. Write the number of edges for the shape below. Write the number of edges for the shape below. Okay. Students, do you know edges ma'am? Do you know edges? Very good. Edges are sharp lines. Okay. So two faces meet edges. Okay. Children, first shape cube. Next shape cone. Next one cylinder. Okay. Children, listen here. So first one cube shape. So this is a cube. Okay. So now we write the number of edges. Okay. Number of edges. Children, listen. So the sharp line edges now. So how many edges ma'am? So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Next back side 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Next 9, 10. This side 10, 11, 12. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Next back side 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Next 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. So number of edges 12. Okay children. Next shape cone. Okay. Students listen here. So now we take the cone shape. Okay. So how many edges ma'am? How many edges? Very good. Only one edge. So this is edge. Okay. So number of edges 1. Okay children, next we take the cylinder shape. Okay, so last shape cylinder, so we take the cylinder shape. Okay, how many edges? Very good, 2 edges. So 1, next this side 1, so 2 edges. Okay, so number of edges 2. Okay children, write the answer. First 12, next cone 1 edge, next cylinder 2 edges. Okay, write fast. Okay children, next third one. Students listen. Next is C question. Write the number of faces for the shape below. Okay, write the number of faces for the shape below. Okay, students listen here. So first shape cylinder. Okay, what is the first shape ma? Cylinder. Next one cuboid. Okay, third shape cube. Okay children, so cylinder, cuboid, cube. Okay, students listen. So write the number of faces for the shape below. Okay, first shape cylinder. Okay children, now we will count the number of faces only. Okay, so this cylinder shape. So how many faces ma? How many faces? Very good, 3 faces. Okay, so 2 flat faces, 1 curved face. So total number of faces 3. Okay children, so this flat face one, this also flat face. Okay, so 2 flat faces, 1 curved face. Okay, so total number of faces 3. Next children, next this shape cuboid. So we take the cuboid shape. Okay, how many faces ma? How many faces? Very good, 12 faces. Okay, children listen here. Sorry ma, 6 faces. Okay, 12 edges, faces 6. Okay, children listen. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so number of faces 6. Okay children, so 6 faces. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so there are 6 faces. Okay children, next shape cube. Okay, last one cube shape. So how many faces ma? How many faces? Very good. So cube because 6 faces. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So number of faces 6. Is it clear ma? So cylinder 3 faces, cuboid 6 faces and cube 6 faces. Okay, is it clear? Okay children, look at the slide. See the answer. See the answer ma? Okay children. Students, what did we learn in today ma?